So, hello everyone. Good morning. I'm back again. Ayan, so dito kami ngayon sa Hamad International Airport. At may good news ako sa inyo, mag-discover Qatar tayo. Ayan, so waiting lang kami kasi 12 noon pa naman yung aming Discover Qatar na tour. Mag-apply talaga kayo. Pwede na dito mag-apply. Basta dito kayo kukuha ng tour sa Discover Qatar. Ayan, so nakapag-book na kami ng transit visa dito sa Discover Qatar. And 100 Qatari Riyal lang siya. And then dito, harapan lang talaga mismo siya ng malaking teddy bear. Ayan. Yung tour ay nabook na namin siya online sa kanilang website na Discover Qatar. I will tell you more later na lang. 12 pa yung tour namin for 3 hours. And then 10:30 pa daw babalikan namin yung aming mga visa. So excited kasi makalabas tayo ng Hamad International Airport. Now ito yung famous na teddy bear nila. Andyan sa likod. Ayan. So, mag-ikot muna kami kasi 6 a.m. pa lang guys. 5:20 kami dumating dito sa Hamad International Airport dito sa Qatar. So, mag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito. Maghanap kami ng bounty kasi yun yung na-miss ko na chocolate dito sa Middle East. So, luckily may Pilipino doon sa Over Qatar na front row. Na-approve naman ng visa. Dito na kami nag-apply ng visa kasi walang online na application ng transit visa. So, kailangan talaga dito daw sa desk nila. So, dito kami nag-apply ng aming tour dito sa Qatar for 3 hours. Ayan. Ayan, city tour. 12 noon yung aming schedule. So, by the way guys, yung nabayaran naming tour dito sa Discover Qatar ay 135 Qatari Riyal and for the visa, transit visa ay 100 each siya. Magkano sa pesos? I'll check kung magkano siya lahat in total. Kaya madali na mag-apply. Pwede nyo i-apply yung tour ninyo sa online. Pwede na kayo mag-direct na mag-apply. And then, for the transit visa, walang online. Kailangan talaga dito sa front desk nila. Ayan. So, 15 minutes pa daw kasi 12 nun yung sked namin sa tour. So, finally guys, nakalabas na talaga kami sa immigration and there's no other way talaga na makakalabas ka ng very mabilis or very easiest way sa immigration or dito sa Qatar, sa airport nila. Isang way naman ay mag-apply ka talaga sa mismong website, yung parang Haya visa, something like that. So, yun yung other option mo. Pero maraming process. Kailangan pa na ng hotel. Yung layover lang siya for 13 hours. So, ito talaga ang the best na pwede yung gawin if gusto yung lumabas at mag-tour dito sa Qatar ng ilang oras. Ayan, dito kami ngayon sa Costa Coffee pero naka-Arabic o proof of purchase. Ayan. And ito yung ating isang vlogger na kwentong 40 na vlogger. Ayan. Diba? Mag-vlog na din siya. Kaya subscribe yung kanyang YouTube channel. Kung mag-upload ba siya sa YouTube channel, abangan natin yan. Hello everyone! So, dito kami ngayon sa bus. And mag-start na yung tour natin.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you hear me? All good at the back? Yes. My name is Anna. I will be your tour guide for this transit tour. Welcome on board to Discover Qatar bus. Our driver's name is Ashish. Hi Ashish. How are you? We have Wi-Fi on board. It's Discover Qatar. And the password is the same as the name of the network. Discover, capital D, space, Qatar, capital C. Try to connect and let me know if you manage to connect. We also have water on the bus. Anytime you need water, grab it from the fridge near my seat. And I will give you water now and you will stop.
May free wifi na, may pa water pa kasi malang tubig dito guys. O diba? Ayan. There go guys, our first stop. So nice. Ayan, 10 minutes na kami dito. Kaya very quick lang talagang tour na to. Bye bye. Discover Doha tayo guys. So hello guys, second stop na kami. Kanina Muslim na yun. Kasi mabilis 10 minutes na kasi doon guys. Hindi ako masyadong pag-vlog. So, first stop kanina is Muslim of Islamic Arts. Ngayon,
Museum of Islamic Arts.
Museum. Yung first para natin kanina ay Museum of Islamic Arts. And then ngayon ay Katara. Ayan. Okay, follow natin si Madam. Discover Qatar. Thank you so much. That's why we discovered the Qatar, because of Discover Qatar.
So, follow natin si Ate Girl.
So, ayan. Ay, ganda daw, di ba? Oo. Very Arabian one talaga. Look at that, guys. First time ko makita ng real na mga ganyang kuan. So, yan yung mga nakikita ko sa sa movie. Oh, it's so nice there. Diba?
So first, let's discuss the towers. You see the towers made of clay, bricks, sticks popping out, holes. What is the purpose? Huh?
Ventilation.
For pigeons. Pigeons, yes, pigeon towers. Originally, they were building them in ancient Egypt back in the days to give pigeons shelter, to give them food and water, because pigeons were very important. They were delivering messages. We have these towers in many countries, and we have them here mostly for touristic representation of traditional architecture. But pigeons know this is for them. They know they need to enter. In summer, they put water inside, and the pigeons enter to feel protected from heat and humidity. And also, there is the door to enter inside. Everything that the pigeons leave, and sometimes there are many pigeons inside. One tower can house up to 5,000 birds. So everything that this group of pigeons they leave, the droppings, it's not washed away, it's not cleaned. Everything is carefully collected and then reused as a fertilizer.
So, ayan na siya, guys. Yung Katara. And then yung bahay ng mga pigeons. So, quick lang tayo dito as 2 minutes. 2 minutes na talaga. Ganta yung tour guide namin doon. Ayan, 2 minutes lang. So, kailangan natin diba, guys? 2 minutes lang kami dito. Doon na area, pero same lang pa rin naman kami. So, it's my first time dito sa Middle East, no? Pero nakaka-overwhelm. Wala, pwede doon, eh? Tayo pwedeng pumunta na yun kasi baka maiwan tayo ng go. Yes. Ano dyan? Yan o, very kwan talaga. May parang kwan siya. Visual Art Center. Wala dyan. Maganda sana mapapicture. Pero wala tayong time. Pagalitan tayo ni Madam. Video na lang para makita ng mga eyes nyo. Na. Actually, worth it naman yung worth it naman yung ay, ala, bongga. I love it. Ay, perfect naman dito. Diba? Eh, perfect naman dyan, oh. Parang Coliseum. Dyan, oh, lumalaban. Ang kuan. Ganda. Medyo malamig na. So, medyo malamig na yung weather. Yung hangin.
Okay, so this is our amphitheater,
Yeah.
Qatar Cultural Village.
Yeah.
It has 3 areas. Inside there is stageless stairs built like ancient Greek theater, the same building technique, ancient Greek theater. Made of travertine Italian marble, not the most expensive, second most expensive. Second flattest country in the world, second most expensive.
So, dito yung Coliseum. Nag-perform na dito without microphone, speakers, just your voice, your hands, and anything. Ayan. Basta walang kwan. Natural kwan lang.
Natural voicity.
Total power, not a single male. And you see the
May mosque dyan. And then, hindi na kami punta doon. Grabe si Kuya, may coca-farm siya. So, hindi kami papasok dyan. Bumili kami ng ref magnet dyan, of course. Hindi mo. This is the ref magnet. Ayan. So, ayan guys. good thing talaga na nag-discover Qatar kami. Ayan, kasi nakapag-tour kami ng for very short time lang talaga dito sa Qatar, sa Doha. At least, di ba, na-experience namin yung Middle East na yun ang vibe. Ayan. So, mag-meet kami ng aming friend. Tagal-tagal pa siya. Wakif. So, Wakif. Ayan. We're here with Mamang. Ayan. Ay, yung Gold Dam. Ayun pala siya. Yes. Kailangan daw talaga i-touch ang thumb. Ayan pala siya. Ay, sige.
Andyan na,
Perfect,
dumating na.
ha?
Ayan ang mga kwan. Andyan ang mga, ang mga words of wisdom.
So, there you go, guys. Ayan, nasa airport na kami ngayon. Nasa Hamad International Airport na kami ngayon. At sobrang pagod. Worth it yung aming pagdi-discover sa Qatar. Ayun, na-meet namin yung aming long-lost mamang doon sa Al-Wakif. Okay, Al-Wakif. Souk Al-Wakif. So, na-meet namin siya. Nililibin niya kami ng shawarma, tsaka nagbigay siya ng mga chocolates, of course. Yung mga paborito nating mga chocolates na pinapasalubong sa Pilipinas. So, ayun, ano ko siya, ma-recommend ko siya yung Discover Qatar if meron kang mga layover dito sa Qatar, kasi sobrang worth it niya talaga. Kasi sa visa 100 Qatari Riyal lang siya, and then yung tour ay 125 Qatari Riyal lang siya. So murang-mura na, and then meron silang mag-a-assist sila sa immigration and everything. As in, i-assist ka talaga nila. And then, yun. Parang ano ka talaga, sasama ka na lang talaga sa kanila. Ayun. So, pagod ng ating kwentong 40 natin. Ayan, napagod siya.
Pagod.
Pagod ang person.
B. Gusto kong matulog na talaga, B.
Yes.
Another
ayan.
flight pa kami.
Yes, another flight kami.
Another 5 hours flight.
Yes. And yung ating next destination ay abangan nyo na lang sa ating vlog. Ayan. So, excited din ako. Kaya, abangan nyo lang talaga. So, that's it. Our Qatar vlog. Soon, babalik tayo din sa Qatar. Medyo mahaba-haba ng konti. Kasi, kulang yung ating layover dito ngayon. Kaya, tirahin lang kasi namin na yung Discover Qatar, if mahirap ba o hindi, yung transit visa. Pero madali naman talaga siya. So, we will try soon. Ayun. So, that's it for today's vlog. If hindi ka ba nakasubscribe, subscribe na para sa mga more travel tips natin dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, see you again! Bye!